Hi everyone, how to add multiple members to your Telegram group or your Telegram channel. Before we proceed, please hit the subscribe button below to get the latest cracking updates from this channel. Now, if you want to add multiple members to your Telegram group or your Telegram channel from another group or channel, what you have to do is go to your Play Store if you are using an Android, or go to your Apple Store if you are using an iPhone, and search a app called Telegraph. I already have the app installed on my phone, so I don't need to bother downloading the app again. So what I'm going to do now is open the app. After opening it, let's create a new group from the scratch. Let's see, I'm creating a new group now. Let's see, that's it. Let's see, group name as Insta update, and that's it. I've created a group. You can see the group only has 3 members now. Let's say I'm adding members to this group now. Let's say I'm adding members to the group from this particular group. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the group icon here, and at the top right corner of the page I have an option where I select search member. Now, after selecting search member, at the top right corner of this page we have 3 horizontal lines, which is the filter, and then you have to ensure this filter is set to all to show all members. And now, after ensuring that, you will have to hold and select the first member or any member shown at this page, so you can have a pop-up of these 2 buttons. Now you have to select the 2 mark button here, and now you have a pop-up which is telling you to load all member, then select all or select only loaded member. I prefer you load all members and select all. You can see all the members of this group has been selected. And now at the top right corner of the page again, you have the transfer to group or chat logo there. You have to select it. I mean the last option at the top of the page. Yeah. So these are the list of available group which you can transfer the members to. And now this is our created group. Now let's select Insta update. So it's telling you, are you sure you want to add users to? Yes, add. You can't actually have all the selected members added to your group because there are actually some users that set their account privacy to prevent anyone from adding them to just any group. So at least we're going to have some members added to the group. Now you see members are being added. We're having a lot of members already. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to get more cracking updates from this channel. We opened the group with only 3 members, and then transferring members from a single group to the group, now we have 33 members. So you can try that. Thank you for watching. Don't forget again, subscribe.